Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set up a recovery email into your Proton Mail application. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into it. In order to do that, firstly, you have to open your Proton Mail application. After opening the Proton Mail application, you just simply have to tap into the three bars in the top left corner. From there, you'll get the option of Settings in the More section. Then, after going to Settings, just simply click on the Proton Mail address. From there, you will get the Recovery Email option under the Accounts tab. You will find this tab here. Now, after coming to this tab, you just simply have to enter the email that you want to set as the recovery mail into Proton. Click into the new recovery notification email and enter the recovery email that you want to set. Then, again select the same email in the second box and click Save option. Then, you have to enter the password for confirmation. After entering the password, click on the Enter button. Now, your recovery email is successfully set up into your Proton Mail application. By following this very easy step, you can also set a recovery email into your Proton. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.